We're here at the Steamless Brewery, and we're gonna get drunk. No, we're not.
Alright, are you guys all on the 5 o'clock tour? Yes. So, follow me.
So, I'm not much of a beer drinker, but I figured that this would be a good experience, and who knows, maybe I'll enjoy it.
Very high on Earth. I'm not gonna tell you what happens. You might fall for the trap door. It's over here.
I'm okay with that. This place can only have good things. Ready?
Go for it.
Yeah.
So that's what you guys can't do.
I'm pretty drunk.
I'm good.
Not much of a beer drinker.
Wants to drive my car home.
But the rest of these guys are. Tell from all the sweat already. Done. So that ends our trip to Steamless Brewery. If you guys ever want to check it out, I will leave the address down below. So check it out. Now off to Will's birthday at another bar where I'm probably gonna get hammered and I'm driving. I don't condone drunk driving, but someone's gonna have to drive my car later.
It came with 2 small ones and 1 big one.
What am I even doing here? So we're here, Unisocial, gonna go inside, celebrate Will's birthday.
Ay Dios mío, I got 2 Chateau Rios.
He's gonna get wrecked tonight.
Hey, you done it with beer.
Dylan.
I'm done, it's over.
Don't be sloppy, Will.
Thank everyone for coming out. Hey, y'all my closest. Yo, I love each and every one of you. I wouldn't be here without any of you guys. Y'all like my family after my actual family. Jeff says that. Oh man.
Well, happy birthday, Will. Till next time. Peace.